Several villages in Bettenahalli in Devanahalli Taluk of Chikkaballapur district fell ill after consuming prasadam distributed during Ram Navami celebrations, officials said on Sunday. According to health authorities, the affected villages began experiencing health issues around 10 pm after consuming the prasadam. Symptoms reported including vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, nausea and increased fatigue. The health of nearly 400 people in the village has reportedly worsened. The affected individuals are currently being treated in both government and private hospitals in Doddaballapur and Devanahalli. District Health Officer Lakka Krishna Reddy visited the hospital and inquired about the condition of those admitted. Health officials also reviewed the situation and monitored treatment arrangements. Officials said that villages, people passing through the temple and residents from neighboring villages had consumed the prasadam. Health teams including ASHA workers, the rapid response team and other health staff are actively monitoring the situation. Health workers are also visiting each house in the village to collect information and provide necessary treatment. District Health Officer Lakka Krishna Reddy said authorities have collected samples of the prasadam, food ingredients used in the prasadam and the water used for cooking. These samples have been sent for laboratory testing and the report is expected within a day.